Hey, you. Yes, you who have been struggling with weight loss and wondering if there's a real solution out there. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to reveal how I transformed my body in just 3 months using Mitolyn. Plus, I'll show you my before and after pictures so you can see the real results for yourself. Stay tuned because I'll also explain exactly how to take this product to ensure you achieve the same incredible transformation. You won't want to miss this. Before we continue, I want to issue a warning to everyone watching this video. Some people have complained about buying Mitolyn from unofficial websites and not receiving the product. This is happening because Mitolyn has gained a lot of popularity, attracting scammers trying to sell fake versions. To avoid any issues, remember that the product is only authorized for sale on the official website. You won't find it anywhere else, and to make it easier, I've left the official link in the video description. That's where I bought mine, checked everything properly, and after 3 months of use, I can confirm it's legit. Mitolyn is a 100% natural product in capsule form, so you just need to take it with a glass of water. Since it's completely natural, there are no side effects or allergic reactions. So far, no one has reported any issues, and I hope it stays that way. I went through a really tough emotional period, and that's when I developed binge eating. I never had a tendency to gain weight, but with all the stress and anxiety, I started overeating sweets, fast food, junk food. In no time, my body changed completely, and I didn't even recognize myself anymore. My clothes stopped fitting, and I felt embarrassed. Going out in public became a nightmare because people start judging, making comments about weight gain and looking swollen, which only made things worse. That's when I started searching for a solution. I looked online for capsules or products that could help me lose weight, but I wasn't sure if anything would actually work for me. Then I found Mitolyn and saw testimonials from people in even worse situations than mine who managed to reach their goals. That gave me the confidence to give it a try. I decided to buy 6 bottles at once without hesitation because I knew the full treatment recommendation was 3 to 6 months. I even caught a great discount that day, along with free shipping for a 3-month supply. I'm not sure if that discount is still available, but I left the link in the description so you can check it out. Taking Mitolyn is super simple. Just 1 capsule a day. That's all you need to speed up weight loss. No need to take more than that. Now, I'm going to share my before and after pictures so you can see the results after 3 months of use. The best part? I still have 3 more months to go. I've already reached my initial goal, but I want to get even more defined, and I'm sure Mitolyn will continue to help me a lot. I hope my experience helps you. Just be careful not to fall for scams on unofficial websites. The official website link is in the video description and pinned in the first comment. That's it for now.